So hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I teach you how to create new style of creative landscape design with using Eevee Render. So firstly guys, click on here and delete your object like this. Yeah. And first of all guys, I take plane and I increase size. Guys, go on here, scale size. I like 8 and 8. Yeah. Right, simple. Okay, so guys, next one, use landscape, this one. Yeah. And change guys presets, this one. I like this one. Yes. And increase segments. See guys, that's my segments. So segments 512 and y-axis same 512. Yeah. And guys, go to on here height. See guys, that's my height. And height I like 2. Yeah. See guys, that's good. That's my mountains. Right. Okay, so guys, select and guys, little bit smaller, little bit like this. Yeah. So select and down. Yeah, good. See. Okay, so now next one guys, this time again I take plane and plane rotation change same, this time 90. Yeah, and guys, scale size smaller and increase height. Yeah, little bit up. Yes. Okay, it's good. Now guys, select this landscape and shift your position like this, little bit down. Yes, see guys, that's my composition. Right. Okay, so guys, select this landscape and right click and smooth shader. Yeah, that's it. So guys, duplicate, press Ctrl C and V, and second one Shift T. So go to up and rotate. Guys, rotation like this. So select this landscape, rotate like minus 180 and guys up. Yes, good. Right. Okay, so guys, select this landscape and one more time duplicate. Yes, and guys, select this landscape so smaller, press only S letter and smaller. Yes, go to on here and guys, more. Yes, see guys, that's really good. Okay, so guys, go to up and change this one shape like this. It's good. See guys, that's my simple composition. Right. Okay, so guys, now duplicate, select this one smaller and duplicate. Guys, same, rotate. So go to rotation and like 0. Yeah. Yes. And guys, rotation also like 270. Yeah. And little bit up. Yes. See guys, that's really good. Right. Okay, so guys, next one, I apply one more time landscape and guys, same, change presets like mountain 1. Yeah. And go to back and scale size increase. Yes, good. So go to on here and guys, one more time duplicate, go to back and increase height. Yes, simple guys. See, that's my beautiful composition. Right. Okay, so now next one guys, I take camera. Yes, and select this camera and go to back. Yeah, guys, select this camera and rotation all I take 0 and up. Yeah, and rotate like this. Yeah, x1 I take 90. Yes, and press 0. Yeah, that's my camera frame. So guys, set your camera angle. So go to back like this. Yes, much better. See guys, that's really good. Right. Okay, so now guys, select this landscape and go to little bit up. Yes, good. Okay, so now guys, next one, I apply 3D model. So import and import your ABC format file. I have 3D model. See guys, that's my 3D model. this one and scale size 0.1 and import. Yes. Guys, camera angle uncheck and press scale tool, smaller, and go to down, go to camera. Yes, good. And rotate this 3D model. Rotate like this. Yeah, good. See guys, that's really good. And little bit increase size. Yeah, much better. See, okay, so guys, select this 3D model and closer like this. Yeah, it's good. That's my final composition. Okay, so guys, now I apply one by one material. So guys, click on here, material preview. So select this plane and guys go to up timeline and guys use shader. Yeah, and click new material. Yeah, guys, I create beautiful waving effect texture. So go to add and type noise. Guys, noise texture and use color ramp. Color ramp. So guys, select this face and connect with here color ramp, and this color ramp color apply on roughness. And guys, base color I like Z black. And guys, select this noise texture and press Ctrl T. That's my mapping, right? So guys, now I decrease scale size, scale minus 25. Yeah, and detail is good. Guys, go to color ramp and increase the size. I like position 0.4. Yes. See guys, that's my beautiful texture. And guys, see, that's my scale size. Scale size x1 0.5 and y1 increase. I like 10. See guys, that's my beautiful wave material. Okay, so next one guys, I apply material for this landscape. So select this landscape and create new material. Guys, landscape, rename. Guys, select this base color. I like Z black. And guys, see, that's my metallic. This one I like 0.1 and specular I like 1. Yes, that's it guys. So select this landscape one and select all and apply same material. Yes, see guys, that's really good, right? Okay, so guys, now next one, select this one. That's my background animation material. So new, and guys, surface use animation. Yes, and animation strength I like 50. Yeah, see guys, that's my 50 animation. And color, guys, see, that's my color. The color code is 0.65 and S I like 1. Yes, see guys, that's my big beautiful background. So guys, select this plane and that's my animation. Yeah, so guys, select this background plane and duplicate. So press Ctrl C and V. Yeah, and smaller like this. More. Yeah, good. Go on here and one more time duplicate. Yes, so guys, select both and again duplicate. Go on left side. Yes, see guys, that's beautiful, right? Okay, so now guys, I apply material for this character. So guys, simple, I like simple reflection black color. So go to null, this one, and select this cube and create new material. And guys, base color I like simple black. Yeah, that's it guys. So select and select all and use link material. Yeah, that's it guys. I have this one material, it's beautiful. So go to camera, press 0. Yeah, and guys, go to here, render and engine EV and render I like 512 and viewport 512. Yes, and ambient occlusion check, bloom power check, and surface this one reflection check. That's beautiful reflection. And click on here guys, that's my final render, right? See, So guys, go to here and color I like black. That's my background. Yeah, it's beautiful. Okay, so now guys, I take point light, this one, and guys change position, point light position. Go to camera and up. Yes, it's good. Yeah, okay, so guys select this point light, this one point light, and change color. Guys, color I like orange, so H I like 0.025 and S I like 1, and power guys I like 500. Yeah, beautiful, right? Okay, so guys select this one light, go to copy and right side. Yes, it's really good, right? I like this effect. Okay, so guys, next one, I create light for this character. So go to light and area light. See guys, that's my light, and rotation change like this, like 180. Yeah. And guys, size I like 0.5, half, and go to back. Yeah. See guys, that's my light. So go to up. Yeah, and guys change light color, take blue 0.65, and as I like 1. Guys, power same 500. Yeah, good. So go to camera. Yes, beautiful. See guys, that's my beautiful light. And guys, increase scale size. Yeah, good. I like 1 is good. Yeah, good. Okay, so now guys duplicate this light, duplicate, and go to up. Yeah, so guys select this first one, area light, and rotate, select and rotate like this. Yeah, it's good. Rotation guys, x1 I take 180 degree, enter. Yeah, it's good. See guys, that's beautiful, right? Okay, so select this light, and guys you can change also position, any position. It is good. And guys select this one, that's my front top light. Yeah, much better, right? And go to camera, press 0. Yeah, see guys, that's my final effect, right? It's beautiful. So guys, that's it. My final effect is finished. So if you like my video, please share and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.